Welcome to Elk River Trains. Today is Black Train Day. And the way we do that is we get some Mr. Clean erasers. As you can see here, comes in a larger square. Cut the square in half. Get your favorite can of vegetables from the cupboard. Got yourself a car. Place a sponge on the bottom with a little alcohol, and it squeezes right in between the gondola car there. You put it back on the tracks. And it has to be a little bit of a heavy can so that way it weighs down the sponge onto the tracks. Gets to those hard to reach places you can't get to. And you just let it run around the tracks. And it does a good job cleaning them up. As you guys all know, I'm still waiting for UPS or FedEx to bring my legacy system, my engines that I ordered, and I'm at the mercy of the shipping companies right now. I just, nothing you can do about it. I hate to say it, it's just the times that we're in right now, everything is just delayed. So my MTH DCS system, I sent it back, it was defective, and they don't have another one. So I have no idea when I'm getting that one. So I figured I might as well get the tracks cleaned up and go from there. I'll show you the sponge here after a couple laps going around the track. It does a very good job. It's surprisingly, you just, when it gets too dirty, you just change it over. So hopefully everything's well with you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the hobby. Like, subscribe, and let me show you the bottom of this sponge now that we went around about 10 times already. And it does a fairly nice job. And if you guys want, I'll send you a can of kidney beans. Ugh. Who eats that stuff? Not me. So you take this off. Yeah, see, the bottom of sponge tracks ain't too bad. I keep them clean. But some people say their tracks are filtered all the time. But that's just an easy way to do it. Especially trying to get back to those way far back corners that that are like 9 feet back, and I'm not going to step all the way across the train table to get back there. I just can't do that anymore. All right, guys. Till next time. Hope you guys enjoy your Sunday, and maybe by the way, happy Thanksgiving come up, and if I don't talk to you guys soon, we'll see you next Sunday. Hopefully, maybe I'll have my items in the mail, and then I could do a review on them and hook up as well. All right, take care.